Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to the channel where I teach you how to get the most out of your money. If you're interested in learning more about personal finance and growing your money exponentially, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell below. Now let's get started. If you're interested in becoming financially independent, the good news is that it is achievable, but in getting there, your first agenda should be to get out of debt. Eliminating bad debt is critical to reaching financial freedom. Credit card debt, retail store debt, and personal loan debt. Now, I've been there, done that, and I refuse to go back because it is a trap. Now, it wasn't easy. It didn't happen overnight, but I got there, and so can you. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. Now, you should focus on getting out of debt before you start investing. Not only will debt freedom give you more money to invest, but there are also some psychological costs to being in debt. Now, do you know that debt affects your self-esteem? I'm serious. Research has concluded that when you're debt-free, you have higher self-esteem, you're more confident, less stressful, your mental and physical health is improved. And I believe that because I accumulated $100,000 in credit card debt when I first started my business trying to get it off the ground during the Great Recession. And it was very stressful. And once I eliminated the debt, it was like getting a millstone untied from my neck. It was the most freeing experience of my life. Now, you might not be bogged down with that amount of debt, but carrying debt can hold you back from financial freedom. Now, if you're living from paycheck to paycheck, you're not in a position to invest just yet. So first focus on getting out of debt. And if that means getting a part-time job or a side hustle, do that so that you'll get your debts paid off quicker. And I want you to assess what you're purchasing on credit and decide whether it is a want or a need. And be honest, you're going to have to live below your income if you're going to get out of debt. Now, it takes discipline. I know that. Now, sure, it would be nice and convenient to have that Ninja double-door air fryer for $200, but rather than purchasing on credit, consider buying a cheaper model that you could pay cash for, or just wait. Now, I have the caloric air fryer on the right, and it's just perfect for me. You've got to get into the habit of living below your income. You have to flip that mental switch from instant gratification to delayed gratification. There's a quote by Oprah that I love where she says, "You can have it all, you just can't have it at once." In other words, pace yourself and be patient. Don't be swayed by other people because I'm here to tell you things are not always as rosy as they may appear. We live in a fake-it-till-you-make-it society. People are living in houses they can't afford, driving cars they can't afford, just trying to impress other people and keep up with the Joneses. And I just talked to you about the psychological cost of being in debt. It's just not worth it. And when it comes to paying off your credit cards, you want to pay off the cards with the highest interest rates first. And you're going to have to set a budget up so that you can track your spending and see exactly where your money is going. You need a financial goal to help you stay on track. You need to be striving for something or you will easily get thrown off course and you'll fall back into those bad spending habits. Whatever the financial goal is that you're striving for, I want you to write it down. Also, write down each one of those individual debts on one side of your financial journal and check them off one by one as you pay them off. And on the opposite side of the page, write down your financial goal and put a picture beside it that will inspire you. And look at it every payday when you make another payment on that debt. And I would also recommend that you share your financial goal with one person that you trust and just bring it up to them every now and then. Talk to them about your challenges. Girl, I wanted that Gucci bag so bad, but I said, not right now. I'm not going to do it. I've got to stay on course. And you need an accountability partner, but you need someone who is mature and has lofty goals as you do. And you only need one. And the two of you can become each other's accountability partner. I'm telling you, it is exciting to have a purpose where you get to enjoy life without financial burdens, to be able to travel when and where you want to purchase your dream car with cash or have an early payoff strategy if you're carrying a mortgage on your home, to bless your grandchildren, or whatever the case may be. There's nothing wrong with having material things, so I don't want you to think that. But I want you to put yourself in a position to have those things without stress. And the first step is to pay off that bad debt. And it starts in the mind. You got to develop a money mindset. So what is the money mindset? Quite simply, it is our own attitude and beliefs about money. It drives our financial decision-making on a day-to-day basis. Those decisions can either set us back or set us forward. So what is your relationship with money? Now, if you view money as a means to an end, then money has no value to you except to pay your bills and perhaps buy the newest iPhone or that Louis Vuitton handbag. We have to condition the mind to view money as a means of exchange of value, where we're not working for money, but money is working for us. And that starts with changing our negative beliefs about money. And I want you to envision yourself having a debt-free lifestyle where you don't have to pull out a credit card to buy stuff, where you're living well below your income, where you can make large or small purchases with cash, be able to invest in the stock market and own rental property, where you could get to financial freedom to live well now and leave a legacy for future generations. But bad debt is a trap that can hold you back for years, even decades, and cost you psychologically as well. And that's why your first order of business should be to pay off those revolving accounts. And let me just recap my message today with these 4 action items to get out of debt and set yourself up for financial freedom. Number 1, separate your needs from your wants. Number 2, live below your income. Number 3, be willing to delay gratification. Number 4, hold yourself accountable. And number 5, commit to your financial goal. I just want to encourage you to take this information and apply it to your life. I've been there, so I know that it works if you make the mental switch. It starts in the mind. Okay, now that's going to wrap up all that I have to share for you today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to receive an alert each time I upload a new video. Until the next time, take care and bye for now.